Everyone, in today's video we will fix the ASUS TUF gaming monitor settings grayed out, unlock OSD, disable HDR and fix guide. The fix one, you can turn off the HDR mode. Right click on the desktop and click display settings. Then select your monitor and turn HDR off and check monitor menu again. Then after you can move to our fix 2. You can disable the adaptive sync or FreeSync. So press the menu button on your ASUS TUF monitor. Then go to the gaming setting and find adaptive sync or FreeSync and turn it off and check if settings are available now. The fix 3, you can change the game visual mode. Open the monitor menu, then go to game visual and change mode to racing mode or standard and exit and check the settings. Now we will move to our final fix, switch input sources. So the first step, you can press the menu button, then go to the input select and switch between HDMI or DisplayPort and check if options are unlocked. Goodbye.